I feel like at this point this can even fix a broken heart. I think this can fix a broken heart. I think this can fix anything. This definitely can fix a broken heart. I should try. Anyways, let's get back to the product education. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I have been MIA for a little bit, but trust me, life is happening. So sometimes we have to take a break. But I don't know if I'm back, but I'm back. In this video, we will be unboxing some of my favorite hair care products. You don't want to miss this one, guys. So continue watching. Okay, so let's get into it. First up is the Carrot Care Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. Guys, this is so good, especially for curly hair or for chemically treated hair, whether it be relaxed color, anything. You guys, this is even good for your kids' hair. This Carrot Care Hydrating Shampoo is so good. When you use this shampoo, you don't even have to wait until you condition or to comb through your hair. You can actually comb through your hair with this shampoo on your hair. It is that moisturizing. All right, so this is one of my fave. Next is this Carrot Care Humector Cream Conditioner, and this is a treatment as well. So paired with this, trust me, you don't want to miss that feel, because it is so hydrating and detangling. So this is the conditioner for it. You put this on and you go under the dryer with this for like 15 minutes. All right, and you will love this. Have the short phase. Love it. This one is the deep treatment for dry brittle hair. So it is from the All Soft line by Redken. Now this, I love this mainly for relaxed hair or mechanically damaged hair. So if you like to put a lot of flat iron on your hair, a lot of hot tools, then you are going to want to have this one. This is perfect for any type of mechanically damaged hair. And when I say mechanically, I really mean hot tools. All right, so this has to be paired with this one, this short phase 5.5 fixed phase. All right, so when you put this on, after you've shampooed your hair and towel dry, and you put 3 pumps of this, it says after shampooing, apply 3 pumps to towel dried hair, leave on for 5 minutes, do not rinse. So you leave this on for 5 minutes. When your 5 minutes is up, you go in with this one. Apply 10 to 15 pumps over this, and then after 5 to 10 minutes, then you can rinse this all off and you have a treatment system. It is that easy. Acid bonding concentrate line. So this I've started using as well, because I cannot do without this. Honestly, I use it for my hair as well, and it's so good. It has citric extract, so it has citric acid in it, bonding care complex. All right, so this is the shampoo, and let me read it a little for you. Acid bonding concentrate regimen used by professionals post salon service to repair, strengthen and recondition hair. So this is gonna strengthen the bonds of your hair. Intense conditioning, fortifying, optimized for colored hair. So if you relax your hair or you do any form of chemical treatment onto your hair or flat ironing, any type of hot tools, you are breaking bonds. When you apply those things to your hair, you're breaking bonds, and this is designed to, you know, repair those bonds that are broken. This here is the conditioner. All right, so the conditioner does the good stuff as well as the shampoo. So this says intense conditioning, fortifying, optimized for color hair. It's not definitely for colored hair, but it is really good for colored hair. If you have highlights or any form of color, perfect. So from that line, the acid bonding concentrate line, we have this 5-minute liquid mask. No, this is so good. Redken did their thing with this. Trust me, they come right out with this. Love this product. I love the entire line. So this says ultra conditioning, detangling, strength repair, revitalize, acid bonding concentrate, 5-minute liquid mask is everything you're gonna want, especially if you have colored hair or if you have over processed, under processed, any damage that you can think of. You need this in your life. Trust me, Redken did their thing with this line. Love it. And the smell, guys, the smell of this entire line is so good. It smells citricy. It smells really good. So if you like your hair products to smell really nice, then this is for you. You use this. So this is for, as I said, this is for processed hair, damaged hair, color treated hair, natural hair, naturally curly hair like my hair, because I use this all the time as well. It makes your hair shiny when you rinse this off, especially if you use the entire line. It makes your hair so shiny. And what it does, because what the acid does in this, the citric acid, it seals the cuticle of your hair, so it looks and feels healthier, and it doesn't look brittle because it's sealing those cuticle, and it makes it so shiny. This is so good. And as I said, if you want the best result, use the entire line. Next up, I have this silicone free leave-in treatment, and this is also from the acid bonding line, as you can see. So this one is the leave-in treatment. All right, and as I said, this is so good for curly hair. No, if you have curly hair, baby, and you want your curls to be shiny and healthy, you are going to want to try this, because as it says here, processed, curly and coily hair, it caters to everybody. All right, so this is fantastic. This is a leave-in conditioner that you put onto your hair and leave it there and then style. So for everything, all of the whole line of the acid bonding concentrate, this can be used as a complete regimen. So you can even get the shampoo here, the mask here, and then your leave-in treatment here. All right, you don't have to have this conditioner, but that just means that you're gonna have to put a mask on your hair every time you shampoo, which nothing is wrong with that, especially if you have damaged hair. Let's talk about this Redken Color Extend shampoo and conditioner. These are perfect for anyone with red hair or any form of bright colored hair that will bleed. This is so perfect. And what this does, as it says, color extend, it extend your color. So if your reds used to last you 6 weeks, 2 months, it will double that. This is so good for, you know, light colors that can bleed. Red colors is very hard to maintain, so if you use these, you wouldn't have to be coloring your hair so quickly. This will help your color to last a little bit longer. It will extend the life of your color, trust me. Tan-ta-na-na. Guys, this Mizani Miracle Cream is my ride or die. I feel like it has been with me forever. I mean, I feel like I've created this. No, I didn't. I did not create this. This is by Mizani. But I feel like this product is mine. I own this product. But anyways, this product is perfect. This leave-in conditioner, 25 Miracle Cream, 25 Benefit leave-in conditioner with coconut oil, UV filter and heat protectant up to 450 degrees. Baby, you don't wanna miss this. This is so moisturizing. It is so nice, and the fact that it has coconut oil in it makes it so good for curly hair, coily hair, every type of hair, because it's not heavy. It is not heavy at all. And if you do silk presses, at home, if you're a DIY girly and you do your own silk presses, you want this. If you are a stylist, you want this. Everybody needs this. And the fact that it's not only a leave-in conditioner, but it's also a heat protectant. Just like the acid bonding concentrate leave-in conditioner, it also protects your hair from heat damage as well. All right, so if you put these on and blow dry your hair, you should be good, because they are heat protectant as well. This Miracle Cream is so good. If you watch my videos, if you keep up with my videos, I hope you do, you will see that I love using this for any type of style. I love using this. So Mizani, pick up yourself. I have the Red Can Frizz Dismiss Rebel Tame. Love this because my hair is naturally curly frizzy. So when I am getting my blowout or my silk presses, I'm gonna use this, because this is especially for frizz, and just like the two other leave-in conditioner, it also is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees Celsius, and it's also a pH balanced formula, and I'm sure all of their product should be pH balanced. So all the products should be balanced in pH. So this Red Can Frizz Dismiss is so good to have as well, especially if you struggle with frizzy hair. Yeah, you don't need this if your hair is not frizzy. If your hair isn't frizzy and naturally straight, you can pass this one. Let's talk about One United. Lovely name, by the way. Red Can, you did well with these names. 25 Benefits. All right, just like we see the Mizani 25 Benefits, they're similar. I want to say this and the Mizani 25 Miracle Cream is very similar. When you put it on the hair, it feels very similar, but the scent of this, the smell of this is mwah. The smell of this is so good. So this is a all-in-one multi-benefit treatment. So this is a leave-in treatment as well, and as I said, you can get either. You could get this or this. These are very similar, so you could get either one if you're looking for a very nice leave-in conditioner. This is cream. This is more on the creamy side, and this is liquid. As you can see, this has a spray nozzle, and this has a tube like form. So this is liquid, and this is cream and this is liquid. So a lot of people like to apply stuff on their hair by pumping, spraying. So if you prefer to spray stuff on your hair because you think it is properly distributed, as opposed to you putting this in your hand and rub it onto your hair, then go for this, because they are similar in formula. Last but definitely not least, I have this playable paste, styling paste with flexible hold. So this is really good to have if you like to lay your edges or you like to lay your clients edges. It smells so good, and it leaves no, I repeat, it leaves no residue, no white cast, no residue at all. So you want to get your hands on this. So this is the play in it. You see, it is very creamy and almost slimy, but trust me, that's the type of edge control or gel you want to be using, because it has so much play in it where it's not stiff as you put it onto your hair. It doesn't get stiff, but it holds your hair in place. Yeah, so that's perfect for me and for my clients who like their edges done. This is the choice. So yeah, and the smell of it is just so good. No guys, this is my receipt. All right, these products are far from cheap, but it's an investment. If you are a stylist, you need good products. That is what is going to set you apart. Apart from your customer service and professionalism, you need proper products. You have to invest in your products. And if you are into hair care and you love your hair, you also need proper products for your at home hair care regimen. All right, so you're supposed to be able to find these products on Amazon. So go through the video, take a photo or get the name. I did say the names of all the products. You will not be disappointed. So yeah, this is it. And please, can somebody send this video to Redken? Can somebody just send this video to them? So Redken, if you ever see this video, please reach out to me. I love your products. I mean, I've been using your product from the beginning of my career, which is like 10 years ago or more. But I love your product. So guys, if anybody can put in a word for me, that would be really nice, because love Redken products. This video is not sponsored at all. These are what I would get for the salon. These are the products I would use. All right, so this video is definitely not sponsored. I wish it was. That would be great. But until then, if any of my videos are sponsored, I will be sure to let you guys know. All right, so this is it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for staying, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you have not already, tell a friend to watch the channel, and thank you so much for the support. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll be sure to respond. See you in my next video. Bye.